Alright guys, in honor of the coach cook, I've decided to make a specialty pasta. This will be my own rendition of a pasta. I think rendition is the right word. I could be wrong. So what I'll do is I'm going to show you some of the things we're going to get started with. So first off, you need to get your utensils. Every good pasta needs a hatchet. This hatchet here also comes with a little knife in the bottom too. You never know when you're going to need that in your prep. And then you also need your little pocket knife. They always come in handy. And of course, you're going to need a saw and a real sharp this is a badass knife. I'm going to use it for cooking. Alright, so let me get some of the ingredients out. Obviously, farmer's market mushrooms, farmer's market red peppers, green peppers. I'm not going to make my own pasta today. So we've got, they've been around since 1886, so I must be doing something right. And then we got our Walmart beef. Of course you need a snack. Some Parmesan, onion, carrot. I cannot show you the secret sauce. It's going to come in handy. Means something as simple as opening up your beef. Just a little quick cut there. You know, stab that back in there. We'll get that beef started. Guys, it's very important to make sure that while you're cooking, you're keeping your energy levels high. So that's why I always get the biggest chocolate bar I can find. Oh no, that makes my OCD go crazy. But you know, you gotta make sure it has mini eggs in it if possible, because studies have shown that mini eggs give you a lot more energy. So we've got red peppers, green peppers, mushrooms. Got some carrots in here, softening them up before I put them in. And then we just got to do the pasta. Throw some cheese on it. Be delicious. But I want to give one of the most important things while cooking a fantastic meal is to always clean as you go. If you look, I always finish with something, clean it, put it in a dry spot, get it put away as soon as possible. There's no need to leave a big mess for the kids to clean up unless they're on punishment, and then make a mess, make them clean it up. So what I like to do, and I don't know if a lot of people else do it, but I like to put my pasta into the big pot. I don't know why I do that, but and then I know the secret ingredients. Just I mean, when inside somebody, I was scared I didn't have any of these in the trailer. Can't open. So what I'll do is I'll just make this mess and I'll tidy it up. Alright, so we're ready to give this a shot. I've got a little bit of a mess. Sometimes you gotta make do with what you got. So let's dish this bad boy up. See how good it's gonna be. I mean, it looks delicious. Alright, look at that. And especially probably makes it like 3% better because it's on a pink plate. Oh no. Okay, let's throw some Parmesan on there. I've already added some pepper, but I'm going to add a little bit more. Just because I thoroughly enjoy pepper. I want you to just take a look at this masterpiece. Just look at that. Right? It can't be anything but delicious. Let's just try this. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Now if the coach could start making some more content, you guys wouldn't have to look at my bullshit. So coach, this one was for you. It's probably nowhere as near as good as anything you cook, but I'll give it my best shot. I'm in the camper here. So we're limited at what we have, but keep up the good work, coach.